This is a English Coots YouTube channel which earns up to $1,800 to $29,100 per month, and ranks in USA if this channel earns average $14,000 per month in Pakistani rupees 3,987,200 rupees. How you can create such videos and upload only in 6 steps. Step number 1. Open ChatGPT and type write 10 quotes of Albert Einstein. Copy these quotes. Step number 2. Open 11 Labs text-to-speech website and paste the quotes which copy from ChatGPT. It will create a voice from text. Download this voice. You can also use TTS-MP3 for this purpose. Step number 3. Open Pinterest and search picture of Albert Einstein. Download picture. Step number 4. Open Pixel and create background image to create video for. Step number 5. Open Can Master select image which edit in Pixel and also take audio voice which you create from 11 Labs text-to-speech website, and again copy and paste quotes, set or match these quotes with voice and save video.
Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. The only source of knowledge is experience.
Step number 6. Upload on YouTube. For writing video description and tags, use again ChatGPT. Copy and paste this description in your video and upload, and this way you can also create $1,800 to $29,100 per month revenue from YouTube work. Continue on this niche minimum up to 1 to 2 months properly. To see more such videos, subscribe my channel and press bell icon.